hamburger button, and I just want to show you what a hamburger button is. Go to youtube.com. Okay, now this is a hamburger button. So we use the hamburger button for many various reasons. For example, let's say we are browsing inside a mobile version of a site, so it's important to hide some of the features which will be viewable once the button is clicked. So let's go to the tutorial. We will create a new folder called hamburger button or hamburger menu. Then we will go to our VS Code, then create a new file called index.html. Now put the starter code, then give it a title of hamburger menu. Then we will have a button, and go search for hamburger button. Then just click the first link. Then this is the hamburger button. You copy, go back, paste, give it an ID of a button, then have a class called menu. Inside this I'll have an ordered list, then a list, then a link. I could use this, but so that you could see the process, I'm not using shortcuts. Let's just use lists for this. So we will have around 4 to 5 lists. Maybe next one is about, so that it looks a more professional site, better site. Services, pricing maybe, then contact, then save it, then go to your hamburger menu project folder, open it with your favorite browser. Then this is what you should get. Now we will need a new style sheet file, whatever you call it. I named it style.css. Now we will select our using the universal selector everything and give it a margin of 0, a padding of 0. Select our body, give it a background color of some dark type of color. Then this is what I so you need to don't forget to connect your style sheet, then refresh. Now you can get the dark background for the body. Now what we're gonna do is we will select the ham menu, then we will give it a background color of something I guess it's a better color. Okay, let's give it a width of 200 pixels and so give it a height of 100 view height. viewport height, so it will take the full height. Now for our button, I give it an ID, so we will use the hashtag btn, give it a padding of 10 pixels, then a background color of some dark type of color, give it a border of none, and position of fixed, and of course color of white. Okay, this is what you get. Then next we will give a position of fixed, then top 0 for this, we will stick to the top. Okay, then we will create a new file called whatever.js. I named it main.js. We will select our button first, so const btn document dot get elements by id btn const ham btn ham menu dot ham menu then document dot query selector dot ham menu, I guess. Then when the button is clicked, add an event listener of click okay, so we will have the ham menu dot we will have an active class active, then for the button the same thing, just change it to btn. Now we have finished our JavaScript. Now for the style, what I have to do is I need to have a btn active and ham menu active. And before that I will select the li, then give it a padding of 10 15 pixels, 10 pixel left right, give it li a text decoration of none, color of white, maybe no, black, I guess it's better. Give it font size of 1 rem, sorry, 1.2 rem, I guess it's better. Then give it a text transform of uppercase and give it a font family of sans serif in our body. Okay, it looks good. Now in our active class, as we have used, okay, let's put this here. In our active class, what we're going to use is left of 0. We will put this left of negative 20 pixels. Now okay, don't forget to connect your scripts to main.js. Position fixed. How menu dot okay. Yeah, now it's working. So go to your btn active, do the same thing, give it a left of 20 pixels, position fixed, then give this one left of 20 pixels, the active one to 220 pixels. Now you refresh and give it a top of 10 pixels. I guess add the padding and give it a cursor pointer. Yeah, it looks more clickable, so now it's working. But we're gonna add a transition, some type of animation. So smooth animation, 0.3 seconds, is in out. Now if I add this to the button only, it's gonna lag, so we will copy and add this to our ham button, ham menu, refresh, then you can see it's all smooth. Thank you for listening. I would like your subscription as always, and I